Do you believe in fairy tales? I do. So let me tell you a story. I was born with a very special gift. I have an extra color cone in my eyes which allows me to see 100 million more colors than normal vision. This is how I see the beauty of the world. This ability, combined with my art and creativity, brought magic to a beautiful historic farmstay in Byron Bay. I've created this space for you and your friends and family to enjoy. Welcome. Born and raised in Sydney, I always dreamed of owning a heritage farm. I found this historic 1900 Federation-style dairy farm when I was still living in the USA, and I bought it sight unseen. I knew immediately that it held the magic that dreams are made of, and I called her Tooraloo, which means farewell for now, a perfect statement for the many visitors I envisaged would come here. Everyone told me to restore her would be impossible. The property was almost falling down. It had been abandoned for so many years and was on the brink of collapse. But something inside told me I had to bring Tooraloo back to her former glory, the magnificence which had been forgotten. I set to work immediately to completely restore her. I bought untold shipping containers filled with vintage stained glass and doors and all the eclectic furniture I owned in the States so that I could create an otherworldly domain unlike any other. I poured my love and creative energy into the project for over 5 years, flying over the Pacific Ocean multiple times to oversee Tooraloo's rise, while managing my artistic career in California to support her needs. Slowly, the former showplace of the Myokam Valley was brought back to life. Now she stands ready and waiting to greet you.
They told me to forget, so I kept on searching for it. The word you whispered so softly while my heart was pounding in the dress you bought me. And I don't need any masters to give my questions answers. I swim steady in you, my truest, my deepest, my bluest of oceans. It's only love that keeps me hanging on at all. It's only love that keeps me coming back for more. And I can't understand it, why I'd want to end it now. Ooh, hey, 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 a heart that is always broken feels the truth when it's spoken. There is nothing love can do when you're falling and waiting for spite to come and catch you. And I don't claim this is easy when the pain and the nightmare seize me. Comfort shimmers in the distance as the light in my heart.
Come to Tooraloo, stay, relax, or celebrate. You'll witness the beauty, peace, and grace offered while you create your own fairy tale to remember forever.
I can't understand it, why